KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 1st of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather not feeling like October this week as we got a very high amplitude pattern developing across the country. We get the ridge. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and that ridge is dominant this morning. Back on Saturday, we had some spots in the 50s, but nothing like that this week, as the cold air is going to be trapped up north with the configuration like that. And obviously a huge thermal contrast around the nation. Up north, we see 20s and 30s. More like wintertime. Down here, we see low 70s, and we're going to be in the 80s for a while. There's the watch warning map today. The east is quiet. Back in the desert southwest, up into parts of Nevada and Utah, we have flash flood watches. That's moisture coming up from Tropical Storm Rosa in the eastern Pacific. Severe weather outlook today. Got a risk of severe storms up around Chicago. Down this way, we could see a few scattered storms today. But after today, things look pretty dry. This is tomorrow, and this is Wednesday. All the main weather action stays well to the north of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Big numbers through parts of the Great Plains and the Great Lakes region. Around here, how about nothing? And I understand October is typically the driest month of the year, so seeing something like that is not that odd. This is suggesting the better chance of any decent rain would be up over the Tennessee Valley around the shoals. Tropical weather, the Atlantic Basin very quiet except for Tropical Storm Leslie out in the middle of nowhere, and it's going to stay out in the middle of nowhere. It's going to meander about in the middle of the Atlantic, maybe becoming a hurricane later this week, and then finally drifting north this weekend, but no threat to land. And this is Rosa. Winds are down to 50 miles per hour. This thing will be coming across Baja California tonight, and then you can see a weakening post-tropical system coming up into Arizona with potential for flooding there in coming days. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, 1 o'clock today. We've got the ridge. And again, there could be a few pop-up storms today, no doubt about that. If you need rain, this might be your only chance this week. Chance of any one spot getting wet, 40 to 50%. Highs in the mid-80s, low to mid-80s today. And then tomorrow, the ridge really begins to become the dominant player. Sinking air motion, sunny and very warm. Highs in the mid-80s. And that's going to be the story for a while. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Highs mid to upper 80s. Mostly sunny, no rain. What about the weekend, you ask? Same thing. Saturday, sunny, highs well up in the 80s, and the same thing on Sunday. So really after today, sunny, warm days, fair nights. With the ridge being the dominant player. In fact, look at the upper pattern Monday. This is a week from today. Huge, huge high amplitude pattern here. 594 ridge on the middle Atlantic coast. A very deep, intense trough in the west. The western states, cold, unsettled, big mountain snows. But in the east, just like summertime. And down below that, mostly sunny, any showers, very isolated. There's a very deep low and a blizzard likely for Montana and Wyoming with snow down into Colorado and Utah. If this happens to verify, and that might bring some severe weather to the south and east of that deep surface low through parts of the Great Plains. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 10th. 588 ridge down here, troughing to the north, and a cold front knocking on the door with a big 1032 high coming down the pike, and that might bring us some rain out there at mid-month. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Obviously, we're going to be in the 80s for a while with a ridge, and the GFS does depict a nice cool down at mid-month, but, you know, that's 10 days out, and we're just watching for trends out here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.